Okay, so as you guys know, my best friend is gone, and I miss her so much. Where is she? Where can she be? I don't know where she is. I missed you, buddy. Yeah. This isn't what it looks like. Hey. She's like, you want a chair?
It's not a chair, stupid. It's a stool. Now I'm not in the stool. Look, my hair's blonde.
She dyed it!
My mommy messed up on my highlights. She's just weird.
Doesn't she look like the devil? Ow. That kind of hurt. I miss you, buddy!
Give me a hug.
I hit her in the face. No. That's a little awkward.